Hey, hello guys, welcome back another video. Today's topic is about how to create a playlist on Pandora and all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Launch the Pandora app and tap the My Collection tab if it's not active. Tap Filter. Tap Playlists in the pop-up menu that appears. Tap New Playlist at the top of the screen. Enter a name for the new playlist, then tap Next. Go to the search bar and enter the name of a song, album, or artist. A list of results displays. Tap the plus symbol next to the song or album you wish to add. Repeat the steps above as many times as you like until you are satisfied with the contents of your new playlist. To remove a playlist from your Pandora account, tap Delete Playlist. To reorder the items in a playlist, tap and hold a selection, then drag it to a new location. Method 2. Create a Pandora playlist from a web browser. Open a web browser, go to pandora.com and select Login. Enter the email address and password associated with your Pandora account, then select Login. Go to the Playlists tab. Select Create Playlist in the upper right corner of the Pandora website. Enter the desired name of your new playlist in the field provided. Select Find a song to add and enter the name of a song, album, or artist. A list of recommendations displays. Select the result you wish to add to your playlist. Repeat these steps until you are satisfied with the contents of your new playlist. And you are done.
By using this method, you can easily create your Pandora playlist. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.